Alright, let's get on this God and Time album. Name God and Time, I'm gonna hear nothing about no God and nothing about in time in a prison. Like, when do you play upon the people them with the God thing? Huh? Upon the album sales. This is album is a flop, as me telling you in the last live stream. The number one artist, Jamaican dancehall artist and so-called king, can't even sell 3,000 copies. Look, mainstream time. Vybz Kartel album God and Time sold roughly 2,700 equivalent album units in its first week sale, debuting at number 6 on the Billboard album charts. This marks his 12th career entry on the chart. How is that a hit album? Somebody please tell me in a live chat. Somebody tell me how this is a hit. On the last live stream, we go through the album and play some of the song them. And we ain't hear nothing really about no godly things on it. It's sound like I just have a bunch of songs jump up, just throw on together. You have artists like Wizkid when could make a big international impact with a crossover with reggaeton, with Afrobeats, and what you get? Garbage. But we gonna play these. Hold on, let me see the Billboard reggae charts first. So ask the Cartel fans this. And a Billboard reggae chart, number 6. So who is the top 6 where the number 1 artist currently couldn't beat? Here's this damn chart. They didn't even give respect reggae if you put them on the front page on our chart. Afrobeats did they over reggae. Where we even find this chart? I don't want to say reggae bigger than everything else in the world and no respect. Rural, is it under rural music? Where's this reggae chart on the Billboard? It just pop up. I think we just say Bob Marley. Where's the reggae Billboard charts? I can't find it. That's how much respect reggae get. Let me Google that shit again. Oh, right here. Where is the reggae charts? Boom. Come on, the people them get in the chat. Don't be scared, because every time I do a cartel topic in the live stream, get quiet. What a shame, no respect. But anyway, Bob Marley and a couple people them over Vybz Kartel. So all the dead man a beat him. Damn, somebody can build a good Jamaican news website. So Shaggy and a bunch of people there over him. Alright, fuck it, we just get into the interview, yeah. Alright, let's hear on the people talk.
For the summer.
Well, my favorite song on the album is God and Time.
I saw them stay a long time. They never how we great long time. But we say God and Time, long time. Everyone that's here was specially invited here. You know what I mean? So this is an intimate settings where we're going to swallow our vibes, listen to a few tracks of the album. I came late, so I wasn't here for the giving away of the posters or the cakes and some memorabilia, but I don't know, we're there now.
We can sign them.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, ready. I'm ready to sign, take pictures, anything. We're just a whole vibe. Listen to a few tracks of the album, which is doing amazing, by the way, so we have to say, big up to God first. She's doing amazing, by the way, so
doing amazing. How? Man, you sell 2,700 copies. That mean not even followers them I listen to him. They rather follow in life and the madness when man run up and down in a underpants and see them this and see them that. They ain't listen to your music.
First and foremost. You know what I mean? God is the greatest, God and Time. There is nothing without him.
The listening party was amazing. I came late, fashionably late, you know, but big up the people them that turned out. The listening party was amazing. The album, as usual, is being well received all over Jamaica, and here is no different a while ago. And it
all over Jamaica. And that's as far as this album go. In the Caribbean, it don't live out the Caribbean Sea.
gave me a good insight into how the album looking for the summer, so we're outside this time.
And since you said the summer, let's jump right into it. What's your favorite one from the album for the summer?
Well, my favorite song on the album is God and Time.
I saw them stay a long time. They never how we great long time. But we say God and Time, long time.
But if I had to choose like a summer vibe, you have to give me three. I'm gonna take the Shensia, literally, Galley outside, the Spice, Confession, and Movado, Hype Life.
Bad.
Yeah. Because the Movado one iconic, when I have to go into the history of that, it's iconic. Those are my top three guys.
What was it like doing that one with Movado after a long time not working together?
I mean, it was amazing because remember when I went back to America, we linked up at the DJ Khaled event. Big up DJ Khaled, you know? Yeah.
couldn't cut the culture vulture. DJ Khaled did try use Vybz Kartel and all them for reviving career. Couldn't get a hit. You say I come with reggae album and this and that. Couldn't find nothing out of it. Reggae is dancehall is dead, people.
So and we chop it up, all our vibes, circle him a couple times. So it was all natural. It wasn't forced. Yes, some big up Gully God outside.
I've been listening to the album and it's giving a different Vybz Kartel that is more family oriented.
Yeah.
Talk to us about that and where you're going in terms of music with the family orientation.
I mean, it's just the maturity, I think. You know what I mean? So the growth, you know what I mean, looking into life from a different perspective. But while still at the same time staying true to dancehall, because the formula is still there. There are raunchy lyrics, you know what I mean, and you know the Jamaican bravado in a certain songs. Yeah, but the overall tone of the song, like the album, sorry, was maturity, more family oriented, more calm. I'm 50 years old now.
Okay.
Oh.
You drew for Faruko,
Yeah.
Wizkid, Spice, Shensia, and Movado.
Yes.
Is there any, what's the thought process behind that selection with those variety artists?
As it relates to the Faruko, we definitely did that. That was purely just promotional level, like dancehall and reggaeton are cousins. As a matter of fact, it was invented by Jamaicans in Costa Rica, in Panama. So to do, that's hence the name reggaeton. So that for me, that's a cultural significance, especially based on the fact that the Caribbean is one region. And you'd be surprised, even though them speak Spanish, them live like we, them eat, you know, the same Caribbean food, tropical vibe, the energy. So that was special. Same thing with Africa. That's literally where we were made. Yeah. So them two collaboration there as to why Vybz Kartel did that speaks for itself. Bridge the gap between the diaspora, bridge the gap between the origins of the music. And
Didn't bridge any gap. Bunch of nonsense on the weed, on the Wizkid track, and the girl this tab hold that. We're gonna watch all this interview and we're gonna break them down. We're gonna call out all the lies. So we watch this, we have the on stage and then we have the fix. So we're cooking all night.
the culture. So that. Which one else you call? The Movado?
Right.
Well, the Movado, the significance behind that is the maturity, is the growth. Remember me and Movado turned dancehall upside down, you know, just a decade and a half ago. And now we come back, love unity. And we still have to turn it upside down because war is in the air. Yes.
And of course, I cannot finish this interview without asking you about how proud you are as a father for your daughter's graduation. Tell me about that.
Man, I had to find a corner last night and shed a tear, man. But it was tears of joy. No care. Because, you know, funny enough, I've never been to any one of my children's graduation. Yeah, when I came out, they were grown. So she would get to go to graduation. It was amazing. My princess looked so beautiful, and I'm proud of you, baby. And big up all of the parents, them, who put in the work, stand behind the kids, and all of the waste man, them, fire for me.
That's it.
Yeah, man, and the people.
All right.
I mean, you were a waste man for 13 years, right?
Fans, and I mean, we have to pick up the media, see me, that's why you guys are here, even though the beat no bad enough time.
And you deserve it. Talk about that.
I know, yeah, you know what I'm saying, bro. But yeah, man, guys, just chill, one vibe. Drinks and liquor is on her. I will just want to vibe. Pick up on yourself for the turnout. Not that time.
Okay, there you have it. First round. Now we are going to the on stage because here my talks up on stage, right?
All right, so this is where Vybz Kartel goes one-on-one with us on his viral album, as well as the much anticipated Gaza Gully, Taste of Sumfest.
This album, Reggie,
Yes, sir.
to me is amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, my boss. God on time.
I think your fans
I don't know what he was listening to, but I guess to each their own, as they say, right?
are going to be a little bit surprised about how different this is from your catalog before.
I agree.
In how you you put it together.
I agree.
And the lyrics and everything.
I agree, more mature. This album is about a journey, about faith, about finding God, about finding myself. You know what I mean? It's about forgiveness.
Ain't nothing on the album suggests where this dude talking about.
And it's about growth, maturity.
Okay, if I say you're mature, okay.
So that's why we approach it a little different than usual, you know what I mean? So even if you notice, even the songs of the ladies, which should typically be X-rated songs, more time and effort was spent into bringing across a more wholesome interaction with me and the girls them. Not just the typical cartel, like under this so, through this so. You understand?
Hold on. Am I hearing right? Let's go back to the album. Like we played the album last time. In the last live stream. I hope we don't get no copyright strike, but we're going to take the copyright strike to prove the lies. Let's see. The song what I say could have made the biggest impact and it did nothing. Wizkid.
Watch we go on in a 9 months. Can't go, can't no lie down. Once you did down so light. No movement style me, I start with me with now your mouth. Me, I start with me with now your mouth.
Huh? Wait a say? Huh?
Start with me with now your mouth.
Huh? Hold on. Wait a say I don't wanna go. This is the way people them start running out of chat because they don't like logics and facts and common sense.
In across a more wholesome interaction with me and the girls them.
Oh, okay. Let's see, wholesome, right?
No movement style me, I start with me with now your mouth.
Oh! Man, wholesome, eh? Whew. This is wholesome. This is wholesome.
Got it!
Line straight in our face, eh? Throughout the whole album, that's the vibe. Oh, yeah, got that lie in front of people.
Not just the typical cartel, like under this so, through this so. You understand?
Yeah, it is a typical cartel. Yeah. Stop lying. You can't lie in front of people face so like we're idiot. We find them that they start running out of chat yet. Huh?
So the album does represent growth, maturity.
Oh, is it now?
Finding God, you know what I mean? And
Oh, really?
a life journey. Redemption, really.
And where it is now in terms of public.
And none of these people call out this bullshit. And they say they listen to the album and it a top this and top that. That's why I said some of them people why me want to jump on this mic most of the time, because tomorrow the idiot just and lie just a grown and people just soak it up and nobody call out the bullshit. Very few. And if you will call them out, they say them bad mind and this and that. Crazy.
Consumption or release.
It's amazing. It debuted on the US Billboard chart in an amazing spot. I think it's the only dancehall album.
Amazing spot, number 6. Behind some old Champagne and old Shaggy album and Bob Marley were dead from 50 years. Like, what are we talking about? Album sales $2,700. So 2,700 copies first week. Like, people delusional or something. Much one album? $11? Run it after $3,000 and $10 a copy. Not even 30,000 US that album would I make. Talk about producers, I forget out a hit. Features probably get out a hit. This album is a flop. Nothing was made from this album. So I listen to the delusion and keep calling out the bullshit.
There now, and it's on a few, I think it's on the emerging artist chart, which gives you a broad spectrum of what the album is doing across all Billboard charts. So it's doing amazing.
No, the fuck it's not. Stop lying. Stop lying to the people. Man, why we gonna keep on make these people stop lying? These people need to stop lying.
Alien looking blood clot, the farm, hunchback, batty boy, handicap. Boy, name down from the ramping shop to the candy.
Stop lying.
Especially for a dancehall album. You know what I mean? And we have to give thanks to the fans, Mr.
For number one artist and the king of dancehall, and you come with a total brick of an album.
Williams, because they consumed the album. Like, they liked it. And I think a lot of them were even pleasantly surprised. Yes.
Surprised they put the title God on time, and when I hear nothing godly and nothing but your time in a prison. No regrets, nothing for tell you them nothing. Bullshit.
And get the feeling that your fan base has exploded since you returned
Yeah,
freedom.
Yes, sir. True that. That's
Is
true.
that true?
Yes, of course it's true. I mean, it's like they were waiting, just waiting patiently.
Waiting for just watch your life on social media. And guess what? Your fans ain't doing nothing like before you do foreign. Let me bring up the back for the new people. Google Trends. Anybody who you can listen to all these talking points and use it against people when they talk bullshit too. No? Let's search in him. Vybz Kartel. This is Google Trends, peeps. Let's go for your last. I went in go prison 2000. Alright, from 2014. In go prison when? Where we at with the time? You probably go prison boy in 2011 them time there. Boom. See my trend 2014. Probably when in go prison or whatever. I say in the 13 years. Yeah, so this around the time in go prison, yeah, so. Boom. In their prison, in lifestyle out, see him trending, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom when he come out of prison. Boom when they in concert. Look on him when there now. Same place as in there during prison and before prison. So this is how Kartel is trending. Just as before and during prison. So all that hype when he last when he I go prison and come out, and when he come out, back to normal. This is why an album only sell 2,700 copies. Total flop. I have all the biggest names in the dancehall. Some of my biggest crossover. Total. So it's people when I watch him now support him. This basically tell me say, you have 2,000, 3,000 die-hearted fan online. We are making him most nice. We think him popular. That's it. Then they everybody post, when they post anything where contradict what he say with common sense, them just so much and so devoted that it look like him have a big influence. No, he doesn't. Come out of prison, you hear him on no hip hop album, none of them big hip hop album, yeah. All the big jerk them would that say, yo, Kartel free this Cardi B, then call him up for one segment and one look show. Any of them put him on no album? No, cause they say nothing now move. DJ Khaled try use him flop. Overhype, he's not the king of dancehall. He couldn't even sell out in one show. Freedom Street, as me dad telling him on the live, flop. This is why you guys don't see no part 2 of Freedom Street. Cause that shit fucking flop. It didn't make no money.
For the return of the Gaza Messiah, so to speak, you know what I mean? And you know, we come out and we deliver, because one thing, Mr. Williams, when it
Okay, somebody there rolling I chat them, I never see. I don't know why I not get the text-to-speech chat, man. Alright, Siobhan. The high-selling album for 2026 to on Reggae Billboard. Go and learn music. Stream 8 million, the album. Bitch ass nigga, you know, say the album sell 2,700. That's equivalent stream. Sorry, you're cussing a successful artist. Go and build a channel off you. Guess what? My live stream, the bigger than more people pass through my live stream in the Kartel than who did in a fucking stadium. Stupid ass. Boy, you're so undone. That's all these clowns can say we're Kartel fans.
comes to music,
Talk about the numbers and the facts of me I talk about, you dumbass, and take your feelings out of it, you stupid.
putting in the work, giving my all, Gaza fans know say that's Kartel all day, every day.
They're dumb.
One thing I go do, I go put in the work and I go give my fans the best of me. You know what I mean? So big up the nation.
So could I that in a more? That's all. That's the best he could give you all stupid niggas when I know common sense. Like Siobhan White, this dumbass in I chatter. No one know me. No one don't need to know me.
We outside.
That is evident in God and Time, Bridging. The work that you put into it.
True.
The seriousness.
Yes,
The,
yes.
the passion that you
Yes.
put it behind it, right?
Yes.
It wasn't just to do
No passion. You just throw a bunch of music together up on a CD and give stupid niggas like Siobhan to listen to.
an album. It was,
No.
It was you expressing deeply what you're feeling and what you have
Yes.
to give to the people out there, Reggie. And we must congratulate
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Because I came listening and I heard some songs and I
Yes.
said, okay, where am I going to the old Kartel? But
He never did. Cause this dumbass, hold on. See one in I chat there. Look, people. Hey, you dumbass in I chat. This I call to you, you know. You can't help yourself even when you say logics and hear facts. You have a dumbass dude like Kartel having a program where you're telling a bunch of liar and bullshit. You stupid. Yeah, don't be like that clown in that chat, people.
You can't come up and now. Exactly. Exactly. That's the growth, like I said, and the maturity. We actually recorded 104 songs. Yes, over the course of months since we've been in America. And we just sift through. I mean, the initial
Pure garbage in your record.
set was the same typical Kartel.
Yes.
And then we said, no, we can't do the album like this. We want to do the album not just like an EP or a compilation of tracks. We want to do like a storyline and set it properly. It's a body of work, not a compilation of tracks. So I'm very proud of it, Mr. Williams. I mean, TJ is too.
I should be ashamed to be proud of that album, man.
Side of you that they didn't know existed.
Exactly. Exactly. And not just a side of me that didn't exist, a side of me that, let's be honest, you know, when you're a kid, especially in Jamaica, you have to always be that macho, masculine, bravado type. Yeah. You know what I mean? So sometimes it even inhibits your expression from where you read.
Dumbass dude may actually have more people talking about politics than Kartel. Time going to pass. A lot of you vloggers. Listen, I'm not a vlogger, bitch boy.
You want to come out of your soul and say, so, and then you still have to balance the art with the commerce. You know what I mean? But trust me,
stay tuned, you might learn something and change. And I try to frame your dumbass mind to think more with common sense. Because a lot of Jamaicans, they lack common sense thinking.
I thought we sat down, plan out this one good, and it means
so we spotted enough from early, you know?
Enemy spotted.
Yeah.
a lot to me because I believe. I mean, just I say God through me, I look visa.
No, yes, I said God to pull the clout, you idiot, them forget to the heartstring because Jamaica have nothing to look about faith. Oh, let me just do a video too. But check it out, you stupid ass nigga cover on how you want him. Maybe you might learn something, bitch boy. We have the fixed interview for watch after this. Yeah. Oh, welcome to the new subscribers. Respect. Here, church. Or hustle. This is how they sell people, church. So that's why I'm doing. I tag on people heartstring with church. And God and him, shouldn't they?
I mean, I look sympathy. I believe. And God come true, trust me.
Well, Reggie, since your release, we have seen.
Yes.
And you ascending all the way.
Yes, man.
He is not ascending, cause just show you Google Trends. He's not ascending. Flat as in their prison. Actually, he need actually a trend more in a prison in a 2016 than he is now. This is United States. Let me go to Jamaica. CM chart. Look, like you might get look hit because of the album. Look, it just has to go up a little bit, but in just as popular as when he was in fucking prison. So get this cartel around the road shit. You just have a you have a 3,000 strong militant like this clown in the chat like Javano. I said in the full of people chat. Yeah, when last you look in the mirror. Oh, they're so mad in the chat. Look at them. Show your face, nigga. Show your face. You see, you like, man, what you tell me to show my face for? Jamaican 9-8, whatever the fuck are you, huh?
Why are you gay?
What you tell me to show my face? You like looking at man's face?
Why are you gay?
Huh?
Are you craving for attention or recognition?
Which one is it? Shaggy sell platinum before. You guys cannot come up with your own topic. You have to leech on someone else. Who's getting leech on? Stop hiding and bring down a next man. That you come back after you make a gay comment while look up in a man's face.
And this project is just
how can he have no so control that unwilling to devote time to argue with people over logics and common sense? How do somebody get to know what this called?
Gaza! 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 Gaza!
Huh? How no can get so hypnotized in a stage that uno hate logic so much, uno want to kill me right now just because me I talk the truth about a dumb artist, a stupid fucking artist. How stupid can uno be as a people?
Gaza! Gaza!
You gonna get mad at me because on the 3,700 I can stream an album. When you stream an album enough to make 2,700 copies, a flop, and you get mad with who? You're dumb. You know him. Y'all team up with one of our butt brothers and the bitch ass niggas. Let's go back.
Summing it all up.
Yes, sir.
Where you are now, you feel now.
Selling a bunch of lies and bullshit, and when they call out and get mad.
About so much.
Yes.
And how, give us your perspective, Kartel. You have achieved so much.
Yes.
From a man who was locked away for so many years.
Sure.
Kartel boyfriend, I mean, I chat having a sissy fit right now.
And came out and became and rise all the way to the top of dancehall.
True.
To be called king, and nobody can dispute you.
King of what? King I sell 2,700 copy. King can't even follow out a concert. How is he king? Bean Man is still a king, because Bean Man I follow up where stadium name of Queens by himself. Kartel him if you have century and one whole bag of artists who can't even follow up Barclay or Stadium, National Stadium. Fuck is he a king?
Wilford, I blush the man who I'm a blusher.
See, engage just like Uno man I make him blush. Wilfred I make him blush. Homosexual just like them in a chat where I get mad.
Why are you gay?
They mad. Oh my gosh, they gay boss.
The bodyguard is guilty, Reggie. How do you take all of this?
Well on the people. Oh man, care for clown yeah. Load up quick. Vybz Kartel. Underwear. Look for the boy.
Say to the man, are you king that? Yeah man, I'm the king.
What video there? Look for one different. Yo, so the boss on different. You hold on official like. Man. What happened to you? Play it again. How do you get in this abati culture? This is a fish cult where Kartel have these boys in the chat room here. And look, man, the man I make him blush here, look.
Wilford, I blush the man who I'm a blusher.
No, we can't.
Oh, I know, no matter right now. No, I killed me, not true. Me see what chat I say. Oh, they run gun. Or them I talk to themselves in there. Your father should have pinched you. Rife, tall belt for your body boy. Oh, they mad. Suck your mother, all of that. Hold on, bitch boy, me have something for you. Yeah.
Shut your fucking
No.
But suck your mother.
That's all I have. That's all I have. You can't come up with nothing more creative. Eh? Real old clones.
Yeah, this guilty, Reggie. How do you take all of this, Kartel?
Just let us try to be as humble as possible.
Yes.
Within myself. Because you
No, you're not humble.
know we're artists. So when you touch the road, we're going with chain and yeah. But the humility is internal when we go home.
Man, I get mad at me when I feel them boss, I say, tell man say, about blushing in the chat. You ever hear nothing like that?
King, and nobody can dispute you.
Wilford, I blush the man who I'm a blusher.
And I mean I get mad with.
Yo, alien looking blood clot, the farm, hunchback, batty boy, handicap. Boy, yam down from the ramping shop to the candy shop. Bleach out face, blood clot, batty man, faggy, shapama.
That on a boss on a gun.
No, we can't. The bodyguard is guilty, Reggie. How do you take all of this, Kartel?
Just let us try to be as humble as possible.
Yes.
Within myself.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
And he married a talk about man I do this and man I do that and I brag everything on social media. Eh?
Because you know we're artists. So when you touch the road, we're going with chain and yeah. But the humility.
Make Drake all put chain around his neck like some bitch. Sound artist.
Is internal when we go home and read the comment section. When we go home and
I reported your channel because you're a bitch boy. That's what you is. You can't stop nothing bitch ass nigga.
see the articles. go home and TJ was
Your feelings hurt so much. I report your channel. You hurt my feelings because you're talking about the artist I don't know. Oh my God. Cartel. Fucking day.
said Cartel, like especially the last year tour. Like there was just shows after shows after shows.
These are the people and the worst type of people for Jamaica, like this bitch ass nigga, what your name? Jamaica 97, whatever. Worst type of people for Jamaica.
You know what I mean? So much shows all over the world, and just looking back and I said, suppose I
You have Cartel as in thumbnail. The gay, me obsessed and in love with Cartel. You have to be a little kid. There's no way it could be a grown-ass man in my chat argue with logics and facts about Cartel on the top. I report your channel. Have to be a kid. Or could never be a grown
gave
man.
up fighting to get my freedom. Suppose when I came out, I gave up fighting